Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and Day 12 for Python Interview Question and Answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. What is a variable scope in Python? Answer. In Python, variable scope refers to the region of a program where a variable is recognized and can be accessed. Python follows a well-defined set of rules known as the LEGB rule to determine the scope of variables. The four types of variable scope in Python are: 1. Local scope. A variable declared inside a function is considered local and can only be accessed within that function. It is created when the function is called and destroyed when the function exits. Here is the example of local scope in Python. Here, x is a local variable inside my_function. It exists only when the function runs and is not accessible outside of it. Trying to print x outside the function would result in an error. 2. Enclosing, or non-local, scope. When a function is nested inside another function, the inner function can access variables from the outer function. These variables are in the enclosing scope and can be modified using the non-local keyword. Here is the example of enclosing, or non-local, scope in Python. Here, y is defined in outer_function, and is used inside inner_function. Without non-local, y in inner_function would be treated as a separate local variable. Non-local y allows modification of the variable in the enclosing function. 3. Global scope. Variables declared outside any function belong to the global scope and can be accessed anywhere in the script. However, modifying a global variable inside a function requires the global keyword. Here is the example of global scope in Python. Here, z is a global variable, accessible throughout the script. Inside change_global, we use global z to modify it. Without global, Python would treat z as a new local variable inside the function. 4. Built-in scope. This scope includes Python's built-in functions and keywords, such as print, len, and range, which are always available. Here is the example of built-in scope in Python. Here, len is part of Python's built-in scope, meaning it is available globally. We don't need to define it, Python provides it automatically. Understanding variable scope is crucial for avoiding unintended errors and ensuring efficient memory usage in Python programs. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.